Service is at the very foundation of our company. We were founded as a service company, so it's at our core. We like to think it's in all of our DNA. What makes a customer care professional special here at American Express is that strong desire to serve, no question. That ability to very quickly gauge a situation and respond in a very calm and collected way, to be able to have a conversation with someone and not appear as if you're scripted. It's like having a conversation with a friend. We are identifying what a customer is looking for, creating that emotional connection with the customer, and then over time they'll say, well, thank you, I appreciate that, I didn't understand that, or thank you for taking the time, I want to recommend you. Clearly, our measurements are through the lens of the customer. So our recommend to a friend scores, our satisfaction scores, are 2 scores that we measure all of our customer care professionals on. And they tend to have not only high scores, but consistently high scores. So people who knock it out of the park each and every day, those are the people that we actually take off the production floor and then we bring them into our training environment and let our new hires just get a sense or a taste of what a really outstanding customer care professional looks like, how they present themselves, how they speak to a customer. So it's really powerful. There are a myriad of benefits that we just continue to introduce here. Recently, we hired a health coach and a nutritionist. We have a nurse practitioner and 2 nurses. We also bring conveniences right here to the front door, whether it be driver's license registrations or blood banks, all sorts of health screenings, things that you'd have to go off-site or off-campus to kind of take advantage of. It's right here, it's 5 minutes. We also have an on-site backup child care center, which we call Kid Zone. Your child is downstairs, there's a nursing room for moms. The company really values a couple of things, and if you look at successful people at American Express, you'll see one is that people are kind of consistent results-driven people. We deliver results consistently, and we do it with integrity. You have terrific opportunities in a company that's 65,000 people strong, so I think there's a tremendous amount of opportunity for people here.